Alright, so today I'll be showing you how to download Eclipse IDE on Mac. So first thing you want to do is Google Eclipse downloads and then hit the first link here. And then go ahead and click on the download 64-bit version and then hit download here. So you can see at the bottom right that it's actually downloading. And then the next thing you want to do is click on the tar file and then hit the installer. Go ahead and hit open. Alright, so once your installer prompt comes up like this, you'll want to click on the first one and then hit install. Make sure you don't leave, because you'll be prompted for like a license agreement, and yep, here it is. Go ahead and hit accept. Alright, so once the installation finishes, go ahead and click launch, and then you should be prompted with the path of your workspace. So this path of your workspace is just where all your projects created in the Eclipse IDE will be stored. So go ahead and change this to whatever you want. I'm going to keep it the default path, and then go ahead and hit launch. So the first time you launch Eclipse, it might take a while. So just be patient. Once it loads up, you should be good to go. Yep, there we are.